Hey guys, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom Vans and Trucks. Trucks and Vans. Okay. I'm doing a bunch of small projects here on the van, and so I just thought I'd bring you along. And one of the things I'm doing is I'm adding a bunch of these trim strips, and you can see it's half round oak stripping. I just need to round the ends on them. I picked up some theme items for the van, which I'll show you here as soon as they get here. I'm still waiting on Amazon. So yeah, let's get going. What I'm trying to do here with this. So this is going to be here. See, it's the same length as this box. And then the next one will be here. It's a bit smaller. And this one will be here. So it should just kind of look cool, you know. It's a little bit more interest to it. Now this side, on the other hand, is a little harder. I don't know if I can hold them all up for you. I'll try here. So here's this one. Excuse me, I'm yawning. And this one, and he's 2 inches in here, and he'll be down like somewhere in there, right? And then this one, same deal, 2 inches from the tip there, and then so these two guys are equal distant from the handle part, but they're also got this same thing on the end. So I'm thinking I won't round this end over, but these ends I will. So anyway, we're having fun now. Let's go round them over. Okay, I just got a little stand set up here for the belt sander. It's I marked these. Okay, so I put a few coats of polyurethane. I used the spray polyurethane in the can. So I'm using 1500 here. I'm going to go ahead and sand this down. I got some water underneath the table that I'm using. And so we'll get these sanded. It doesn't take much to sand off the high points and stuff, you know. Well, the thing with the spray is it kind of has a tendency to have like little hairs coming off the back, which I don't like. But pretty easy. We're just wet sanding. And you can feel it getting smoothed out here. You can feel it like, I like it nice and smooth. No high points, no. So now that is nice and smooth. So you can kind of, maybe you can see the difference, like this one here, see how it's got all the grungies on there and stuff? You can kind of see them. And then this one here, looking nice. Okay, so we're gonna put some of this double stick tape that I got from Amazon. I'll put a link down below for this tape. It's the good stuff from 3M. Comes in this bag like this. I've used quite a bit of it already. There's a guitar pick in there. But yeah, it's kind of like the right size, you know. And it doesn't have to be perfect on the back of this. It's just, you know, it's a really lightweight little piece of wood. You'll never see this tape on the back. This one's a little tougher because I've got all these little pieces here, and I'm thinking, I forget what I was thinking. I was thinking that it was going to be 3/4 of an inch away from here, and this one goes in here, this one goes in here, and about all the further I got. So this is what our bed looks like now, and some people thought we should change out the bedspread to be more with the theme of Shangri-La that we named the van. So let's do it. So, new bedspread. It's got a peacock with some palm leaves and a waterfall here, and it looks pretty cool. It's kind of a teal green color, so it kind of definitely goes with the Shangri-La theme. And we put some little hummingbirds and butterflies in here. So it's we got a little bit of a theme. It's not as much as some people have, but I think it's pretty good. Let's take a close-up look. Okay, so we got a few butterflies and hummingbirds over here. You can see up front there's 1, 2, 3, and then a few more back here. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Cyclone Custom. See you next time. Bye.